Welcome students. In this video we will be comparing sets M and N. So given M equal to and N equal, so you are given two sets. So set M, it says that X such that X is greater than 0, and N is Y such that Y is greater than 0. So both sets is saying they have variables, so the variables are X and Y, and X and Y are greater than 0. That means all positive numbers. So to determine if that's looking at the right side, to determine if the sets M and N are the same, we need to compare their definitions and properties. So the definitions of set M: the set is defined as M equals X such that X is greater than 0. This means that M consists of all positive numbers. It includes all numbers greater than 0, such as 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 100.1, and so on. In mathematical terms, M is the set of all positive real numbers. So the definition of set N is similar. It is defined as N such that Y is greater than 0. This means that it consists of all the positive numbers, just like set M, like 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 100.1, and so on. Now we need to compare the sets. Both sets M and N are defined containing all the positive numbers. The only difference between them is the variable. So here, like we said, X and Y. That's the variable name. However, in set theory, the choice of the variable does not affect the set itself. So in conclusion, since both sets include exactly the same elements, all positive real numbers, set M and N are indeed the same. They both represent all positive real numbers. Therefore, we can conclude that M and N are the same. So we can say M and N are the same set. So I hope you learned. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Keep watching my videos.